CSR Department of Government of India. That's the way it's been for a long, long time. And today I stand here on behalf of a number of people that have worked on the campaign, the people from the council, the people that have been very properly selected by the council who do media, creative research and other things. So I'm here, what is my role here? I'm actually talking from the dugout. I'm a sounding board, a rebounding board, coach. The work has been done by some wonderful people and I've had the opportunity of working with them. It's quite an interesting job that has been asked of these people to do, and the difference between brand and category that Kamlesh touched upon. Polio was a category. It was not a brand. It was not for any specific people. It was talking to people about things that they didn't think about, and we were able to do something interestingly. So then in 2014, India was declared polio free. So you can make it happen. And insurance is a category because I don't think to date people are specifically asking for brands. So if we increase the category, all the brands who are present here will actually benefit. And if we succeed in doing that, I think we are on a very good wicket. And polio was something which was scary. Insurance is not scary, so we can make it work more positively with a smile on our face and make life a better place to be in. And I'm going to share the campaign with you, which has been done by a whole lot of people here. You realize that we have not been trying to get to look very advertising, which is very plastic. We've been trying to look real, believable, and yet interesting. We want to be memorable. We don't want to be boring. We are not in the good old days of saying, I'll put in 100,000 crores and keep saying boring things because people will then remember it. We don't want to. Do you know Himalaya? They'll say, yes, I know Himalaya. Then say, चढ़ा है इसके ऊपर? बोले चढ़ा तो नहीं. हमारा काम है धीरे धीरे चढ़ाना. That's the job that we have ahead of us. Make awareness a meaningful thing rather than saying, yes, I am aware of this thing. Aware का मतलब क्या होता है? We have to teach them what awareness means, so that they ask you more questions, so that you are able to answer them more meaningfully, so that you are able to build up a relationship with the consumer, where they are not scared of you, that this burger has come again. You are there to say, hello, he's come here to help me. That's the space we want to be in. And today I'm going to show you what the team has done.